Tonight, an exclusive interview with a Venezuelan asylum seeker who says the U.S. immigration court system is failing her and other people trying to follow the law.
Experts say the problems took root during the Biden administration with backlogged courts and administrative gaps and have only transformed and grown under the Trump administration's immigration crackdown.
Liv Kelleher joins us from the Citizenship and Immigration Building in Salt Lake. So, Liv, what issues is this woman highlighting?
Well, Heidi, this woman who has requested to remain anonymous out of concerns for her own safety came to the U.S. in 2023 under the Biden administration. In her home country of Venezuela, she is a lawyer. Here in the U.S., she's helping other immigrants navigate what she's characterizing as a broken and increasingly dangerous system.
She arrived in the United States in 2023 seeking political asylum. More than 2 years later,
what challenges you have experienced in the immigration courts?
Por el momento no tengo audiencia, solo estoy pendiente.
As a trained lawyer, she has a strong understanding of the asylum process. Even so, she says it's frustrating and scary.
Uno de los mayores desafíos o mayores miedos es que hay un bloqueo sistemático con la información de datos restringidos.
She says asylum seekers try to check their case status online, only to find their information blocked or missing, forcing them to check if their case has been called in person at immigration court, the same building where ICE is headquartered in Salt Lake City. This leaves people to weigh two risks: show up and possibly be detained by ICE, or stay away, miss a hearing, and be deported in absentia.
Sí, es como una encrucijada, que hay una sola salida, expulsión.
Immigration attorneys say these challenges are the result of years of administrative backlogs that exploded during the Biden administration.
They were, taking the information, but those NTAs, they're called, they were not filed with the court.
According to a Migration Policy Institute study, the number of pending deportation cases has more than doubled since 2021. Asylum seekers now wait an average of 4 years for a hearing, and even as caseloads grew, the number of immigration judges declined while ICE funding increased. She says that backlog and the confusion it has created is driving immigrants out of the proper channels and into hiding.
Uno no se levanta y uno no sabe qué reglamento hay nuevo que no favorece sino que perjudica.
For her and millions of others, they continue to wait in legal limbo.
According to that study from the Migrant Institute Policy, over 60% of cases at immigration court do involve an asylum claim. The U.S. Supreme Court in 2025 affirmed that all non-citizens are entitled to due process and an attorney, but the government does not have to provide an attorney if someone cannot afford it. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.